In order to close background apps on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, first of all, we need to go to the background apps or recents. And if you use buttons for navigation, then you can simply press the square button, which can be over here or over here on the right side, depending if you have mirror buttons enabled or disabled. And there we go, we have all apps that we have opened in the background. Now we can press this X over here in order to immediately open pretty much every app. Or we can swipe to the right or to the left in order to close a specific app. As you can see, it says clear here. So you can do this gesture with one finger in order to close a single app instead. Now, if you use gestures instead, in order to go to the background apps, we need to swipe from the bottom of the screen towards the middle, and you will need to hold your finger for like half a second or so, maybe a second. So swipe like this, and then if you already can see other apps or something, then you should be able to go to the background apps, and you can do the same thing, just swipe with one finger on one single app in order to close that single app, or press the X at the bottom. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!